Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to discuss a hot topic that's been buzzing around lately. Is crypto mining illegal? But before we jump into that, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. And if you have any thoughts or questions, leave a comment below. Let's get started. Crypto mining is the process of validating transactions and adding them to the blockchain, a digital ledger for cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. So, is it illegal? Well, the legality of crypto mining depends on where you are in the world. In some countries, it's completely legal and regulated. These countries have guidelines in place to prevent illegal activities and ensure transparency in the mining process. On the flip side, there are countries where crypto mining is partially or completely illegal. Some governments are concerned about the environmental impact of mining, as it requires a lot of energy. Others worry about the risks associated with cryptocurrencies, such as financial instability or facilitating illegal activities. However, enforcing these regulations can be difficult. Mining can be done anonymously or through decentralized networks, making it challenging for authorities to fully stop it. It's important to note that regulations regarding crypto mining are still evolving, and they can vary from one place to another. Governments are working to strike a balance between innovation and consumer protection. So, to answer the question, is crypto mining illegal? It depends on your location. Make sure to understand and comply with the laws and regulations specific to your area. Now, let's talk about a bonus point. The future of crypto mining looks promising, with the emergence of more environmentally friendly practices. Researchers are exploring alternative mining methods that use renewable energy or improve energy efficiency. By transitioning to sustainable mining, we can address environmental concerns and improve the industry's reputation. This progress shows that crypto mining is constantly evolving and adapting for a better future. And that's it for today's video. We hope you found this information helpful. Remember, always do your own research and stay informed about the regulations in your area if you're interested in crypto mining. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Happy mining!